Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to walk you through Scout's new 235 XSF. Starting off with the profile of the boat, this model is equipped with the standard Scout white hull color. We've got a nice stainless steel insert on the white rub rail. Full walk across transom. This boat is equipped with a 300 horsepower motor from Yamaha. We do have a telescoping swim ladder to the starboard side, along with a transom door that makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. Starting off in the bow, we have tons of accommodations for comfortable seating on the 235 with removable backrests, speakers to forward, and 2 cup holders on each side. We've got dedicated storage to both the port and starboard side. Non-skid surface here for electronic devices or sunscreen. Access to your anchor locker is forward. This is all non-skid surface with recessed cleats. We've got grab rails for safety that fit comfortably. And then forward of the console, we have this huge chase lounge from Scout with built-in armrests and dedicated storage beneath. Lots of deep storage, versatile storage. Got the fully enclosed windshield on the 235 beneath the hardtop with LED spreader lights both fore and aft. Down in the console, tons of room for storage. This model is equipped with a porta potty. Here at the helm, got a fully integrated dash from Scout, 9-inch Garmin touchscreen for your chart plotter. All your aircraft style toggle switches illuminate at night for safety. Non-skidded surface here, USB and 12-volt power sources for your devices. Lockable glove box storage here with additional USB plugs. The Fusion Bluetooth stereo is standard. We've got LED trim tab indicators, digital throttle and shift with the Yamaha 300, and digital tack and gauges from Yamaha as well. The Helm Seat features bolsters that work independently of each other, so the driver can lean while the passenger sits if they choose. We've got 4 rod holders and 3 cup holders with a grab rail behind the helm seat with a Yeti beneath. Got a nice pocketed stern seat on the 235. Thick stainless steel supports, but also very easy to stow away. If you're fishing off the aft end of the boat, you got a nice bolster here for support. We do have bolsters that completely encompass the boat for added comfort. Speakers on both sides in the cockpit, so 4 speakers total. We do have dedicated rod storage on both sides. You can also use this to store a boat hook or your brush. And standard, we do have a lighted and aerated bait well in the port side aft. This model is equipped with Fender Pros for quick disconnects when docking. And we have additional cup holders and rod holders that are both plumbed and drained on the aft end of the boat. Rocket launchers on the hardtop with LED spreader lights as well. And that is our 235 XSF from Scout. If you have any questions, please call us at 843-747-1889. And always visit us online at MarineMax.com. And be sure to check out our Facebook page at MarineMax Charleston. Thank you very much. See you soon.